how do I put multiple links in my Instagram bio? Many of you have seen on your Instagram profile, you only have space for one link, but Instagrammers have found a way around this by utilizing platforms that allow them to create a landing page. Now, I've created a video showing you how to create a landing page on your Squarespace website. However, there are also apps that allow you to do the same thing. So for those of you who are bootstrapping your business and you don't even have a website yet, you can utilize websites like Linktr.ee to do this. However, I have found an alternative to Linktr.ee that I use right now, and it is called Milkshake. I absolutely love this platform because of the variety that it offers you, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Milkshake on my Instagram account. Milkshake is an app that allows you to create a free Instagram website on your phone in minutes. You do not need to have a website starting out if you download this app and connect it to your Instagram account. So what I love is you can utilize that link in your bio to redirect to your Milkshake website, and from there you can send them to multiple places. This is very similar to what you see on Linktr.ee. However, the designs are so much better, and one of the things that I like is you can actually play a YouTube video directly within Milkshake itself. Now this is how it works. All you do is you pick a card and you can choose from a variety of designs. Then you add your content. You add your headings, your subheadings, and the card description, and this is what people will see on screen. Then you can shake up your look. What I love is if you get bored of the design layout, all you have to do is hit shake it up and it will go through all of the different layouts they have available to change the way your design appears. Then you just publish it and you add it to your bio. So literally this is super easy, not only to create, but it's easy to modify. So if you ever need to take away promotions or add promotions, you can simply do it within the Milkshake app and then you just publish it. You can also switch between multiple Instagram websites. So if you manage multiple accounts within the same app, you can just hop between them. And it also provides you with insights, so you can see how much traffic is it driving from Instagram to the websites that you're marketing. So now what we're going to do is hop on over to my Milkshake website so that I can show you how I have it laid out. So if I go to the Milkshake app on my cell phone, it's going to automatically open up the application and show me my Milkshake site. So if I click on that little box, it's going to pull up all of the things that I can do. So if I click on the pencil and click edit, you can see the card heading says LaShonda's links. And down here, you can see the places I refer people to. The top one will send people directly to how to create an Instagram theme on Canva, which is a video. I can do watch Bootstrap Biz Advice, which will send them to my YouTube channel. Get free access to my resource library goes to the VIP vault, and then it goes down the list. Now, if I hit preview, you can see exactly how that design looks. But if I want to shake it up, all I have to do is click on that button in the bottom left and it will go through all the designs that they have available, just like they showed on that preview on the website. Now, if I don't publish, none of this stuff is going to change, so I will just discard those changes. But what I want to do is show you, you can actually do multiple cards. So this is the very first card, but if I hit the plus sign at the bottom, what I can do is add any of these. So I like the YouTube one, promote your YouTube videos to turn your followers into subscribers. And so this is going to show you where you can drive traffic to your subscribe button, and you can also embed a YouTube video directly on your Milkshake page. So if I go back up here to, let's say, this pink one and edit Rose all day, you can see the image at the top Then you can see the link to the channel, which will allow you to subscribe. And then you can put the video title down here. So this is going to actually put the YouTube video directly into Milkshake. So if I hit preview, you can see down here that I can actually hit the play button within Milkshake and I can play the video. So what I'm going to do so that you guys can see it work is I'm going to hit publish. And so that's going to publish that new card to my Milkshake website. So now I will hit done. And what I'm going to do is head on over to Instagram to show you that new page. So if I open up my Instagram account, I click on my profile and click on Milkshake, then you will see the links that I showed you before. But then if I hit the arrow underneath LaShonda's links, you'll see that second page. And if I scroll down, I can hit the play button and the video will start to play directly in the Milkshake site. So for people who are on YouTube utilizing it to drive traffic to their business, being able to embed YouTube videos into your Instagram bio is a huge benefit of the Milkshake app. So if you guys have not tried this application, I would encourage you go ahead and download it from the App Store or the Play Store and give it a try. Thanks for stopping by 30 Days of Apps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. Another video you may like is 9 reasons why you should upgrade to Canva Pro, and the link to my free resource library is in the description.